Coaxial cable, ever heard of it? It's a game changer in the automotive industry. You see, it's this electrical cable that's got layers, like an onion. First, there's a central conductor, then an insulating layer, followed by a metallic shield, and finally, an outer insulating layer. But why is it so important? Well, it's all about reliable signal transmission and resisting electromagnetic interference. Take antennas, for example. Coaxial cables connect your car's radio or infotainment system to the external antenna, ensuring a crystal clear signal for AM, FM, and satellite radio reception. And that's not all. Coaxial cables also play a crucial role in telematics systems, transmitting signals for GPS, cellular connectivity, and other wireless communication protocols. Plus, they're even used in surveillance systems, helping transmit video signals from cameras for parking assistance or security features. So, next time you're cruising in your car, remember the unsung hero, the coaxial cable, keeping you connected and safe.